Hello everybody, Jeffrey McAvoy here, back with the Traxxas TRX-4 tech video. It's been a while. We're going to be fitting these scale door handles to the little Defender body. It makes a great addition to the scale looks of the truck. It really looks good. So started by measuring the diameter of the screw to determine which drill bit to select, and measuring the distance in between the holes. There are 3 on each door handle. Once you've determined that, it helps to just place a little dot on the existing sticker door handles which are delivered on the Defender body. Now once you've made the little markings, it's time to whip out this smallest drill bit that you have in your kit, most probably. I think it's a 1.5mm or even 1mm is good enough. Then drill through the Lexan body by hand, because obviously it doesn't fit on a drill nor on a Dremel because it's so small. And once you've done that, remove the stickers. Now I got these from greensmodels.co.uk. You might want to check them out because they have loads of accessories for the TRX-4 and many other rock crawling 1/10 scale and even trucks and stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, obviously you are because you're watching this video, so thank you very much for that. Make sure you check them out. Now, I realized that it was much easier to pre-engage the screws because they're so small. So pre-engage them all on the inside of the body, and once they are flush with the outside, you can place the handles themselves and screw them in evenly until they are pulled against the body, and that's it. Job done. Bob's your uncle. It's as simple as that. It takes roughly 40 minutes to get it right. All is in the preparation, obviously. You know, it's better to measure twice and drill once, if you know what I mean. Here's another view of it being done. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. It's a very cheap way to add some scale looks to the TRX-4. It really looks wonderful, I find. I tried 3D printing these, but it ended up looking like crap. So I'm really glad that I sort of invested a couple of beers worth of door handles right here into this little TRX-4. So make sure you check out the link which is in the description. Thank you so very much for watching. Thank you for your support, for your likes and comments. I really do appreciate it, and I'll be catching you all in the next video.